Ayan. So, again, so yung unang video kanina is all about the population and sample. Now, for the next topic, we have collection of data. So, when we say collection of data, from the term itself collection, kukuha ka ng data. So, yan. Now, on the first, if you try to recall the introduction to statistics, di ba meron tayong sunod-sunod na proseso? Una, collection, organization of data, ayusin mo yung na-collect mong data, presentation, yung na-collect mong data, gagawin mo siya ng presentation through bar graph, line graph, or pie chart. Kahit madami naman dyan way na pag-present ng data. And then, analyze, and then, interpret the data natin. Ngayon, for this one, so collection of data, wala kang masyadong isipin dito. We just collect the data itself. Ngayon, in collecting data, we have the following methods. So we have conducting survey, observation, experimentation, and reading statistical publication. So let's have the first one. First method. Ito yung common, itong mga apat na to is the common methods na ginagawa ng mga researcher natin. Ngayon, first one is conducting surveys. Now, to cut the story short, ito yung ginagawa ng mga ate at kuya nyo na grade 10, na wherein meron silang binibigay na questionnaire sa inyo. Yun ang sinasagutan ninyo. Ngayon, in conducting surveys, it uses interview method. We have two possible methods sa conducting survey, either by interview method and then questionnaire method. Ngayon, sa interview method natin, interview itself, or from the term itself, interview, is kakausapin mo yung tao. Ngayon, we have two persons involved, si interviewer at interviewee. Pag sinabing interviewer, ikaw yung nagtatanong. Si interviewee naman, siya yung tinatanong. Halimbawa, let's say si student A, si student B. Si student A, tinanong niya si student B, ilang taon ka na? Something like that. So, yung nagtatanong, ang tawag natin sa kanya interviewer, yung pinagtanongan ng interviewer, ang tawag naman sa kanya is interviewee. Now, apart from having interview method, we also have questionnaire method. Pag sinabing questionnaire method, ito yung ginagawa ng mga atat kanyo na grade 10, wherein meron silang binibigay na papel at meron kayong sinasagutan doon. Yan. So, here are examples of questionnaire method natin. Ayan. So, winter questionnaire, sample survey, and so on and so forth. So, yun yung conducting survey na tinatawag natin. Pangalawa is observation. Pag sinabing observation naman, from the term itself, observe, titignan mo. So, oobserbahan mo. Titignan mo mabuti kung ano nangyayari sa pali-paligid. Again, we have two persons involved. We have investigator and subject. Pag sinabing investigator, siya yung nag-o-observe. Si subject, siya yung inoobserbahan. Now, one example that you can relate out of this observation method ay yung ginagawa ng mga practice teacher ninyo. Wherein, si practice teacher, siya po ang subject, at yung investigator naman ay yung subject teacher ninyo. Yan. So, we have observation method. Pangatlo is we have experimentation. So, experimentation, it is one way of collecting data by testing the hypothesis. Pag sinabing hypothesis, it is a wild guess. Or, ito yung ginagawa ninyo sa SIP ninyo. Wherein you experiment things such as the effectivity of the lemon, basta yung balat ng lemon, yung balat na kung gaano siya ka-effective and something like that. So, yun yung experimentation. And then last one, which is, hindi pa natin discuss, wala pala dito sa presentation, which is yung reading statistical publication. Ito yung RRL na tinatawag sa SIP ninyo, wherein you read studies or research about a certain phenomena or certain event natin. So, yung mga example ng statistical publication natin ay si article, si journal, si thesis, si action research, dissertation, and then mga balita, news, or mga mga studies in general. So, yun yung mga reading statistical publication natin. So, yun lang sa collection of data natin. Again, when we say collection of data, you just collect the data itself. Kukuha ka ng information sa mga population or sample natin. Ayan. So, for the next video natin, so I'll be discussing naman yung presentation of data natin. Yan. Peace out muna for the meantime again.